All right, Shweta, stay on with us. We're shifting focus to what's happening in Mumbai. We're now learning that Mumbai has recorded over 300 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours as per the Bombay Municipal Corporation records between 8 a.m. yesterday and 7 a.m. today. Waterlogged railway tracks witnessed at Dadar station in Mumbai. You can see those visuals on your screens as rainfall continues in the city. Shweta still with us on the broadcast. Shweta, I can see you're holding an umbrella as well, reporting on the ground. What's the condition like in Mumbai today? We do know that there's been over 300 millimeters worth of rainfall in just the last 11 hours. It does seem that some of the roads are waterlogged as well, and the stations in particular, the local railways are the lifeline of Mumbai. That seems to have come to a standstill.
Absolutely. In fact, just a couple of hours rain, and here we see Mumbai is in monsoon mayhem. In fact, as we have clearly stated about the lifeline of Mumbai, let's begin with that. Local trains are being severely impacted within few hours of rain. To begin with, Central Line is delayed by 10 to 15 minutes, but as we speak about Harbour Line, a part of railway track patch, that is the soiling that is done under the railway track, seems to be out, and clearly we see that due to this, the delay is taking place for near about 20 to 25 minutes. Clearly, there are slow-moving trains on railway track, and of course, the commuters are being severely delayed for their work. But as we speak about other key parts area of Mumbai, Dadar, where we are seeing it's a place where Hind Mata and low-lying areas like Sakinaka, Kurla, Sayil are submerged. In fact, previous night, we have seen incessant rain for at least 3 hours that continued submerged the key parts of Mumbai. But as of now, if I can show you in and around me, there's not much of heavy rain that is taking place. This is light to medium spell of rain happening here. But of course, people are getting affected because of the traffic, the delays, and the road congestion. And of course, the train commuting is also a big challenge for them. The city has come to a standstill from all the sides as we speak about commuting, and Mumbaikars on monsoon day one are facing the challenges like it is. They are already in middle of the rainfall where they are being stuck. But clearly we see that from Dadar to Hind Mata, all these areas where seem to be waterlogged. However, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has started, gearing up for their work, and we are seeing on few parts of Mumbai also. The team is present over there. But clearly, as we speak about the railway line, the railway lines, of course, are being, slightly submerged. However, the trains are running, although delayed. But clearly, there has been also red alert that was, in fact, issued by the weather department for today early morning 3 hours. But it will be important to see that what happens in the next couple of hours, because we see last night incessant rain led to severe havoc in the city of Mumbai.
Absolutely, Shweta. Stay on with us. We're tracking some further updates from Mumbai. As rainfall continues to lash in Mumbai, causing widespread waterlogging, there's also been a structural incident. A retaining wall adjacent to a residential building collapsed last night in the Virkoroki West area due to heavy downpour. Now, the incident triggered panic among local residents as large portions of the wall came crashing down. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported so far. Meanwhile, a fire brigade and civic teams have now reached to the spot and have initiated safety measures. The Mumbai Municipal Corporation is assessing the area for further risks as Mumbai battles yet another day of relentless rain. Shweta, what is it that you're picking up as far as the wall collapse in the Vikhroli West area is concerned?
Well, that's right. In fact, we are given to understand that due to the rain that happened last night for a couple of hours, and the rain continued in Vikhroli West, the retaining wall something I'll quickly show you. Something like this has collapsed, in fact. But the fortunate part is nobody is, in fact, injured in this particular case. But clearly, we see that it's the time, it's monsoon, and there would be dilapidated buildings. We never know, that would be collapsing or retaining wall. Remember, when it comes to monsoon, Mumbai is pretty much known for all these incidents that unfold during this entire phase of monsoon. But in Vikhroli, the fortunate part was, of course, as I said, nobody was actually injured. And as the retaining wall had collapsed, BMC reached at the spot, and the debris is, of course, being removed. But this is the consequence of how in just couple of hours of rain, we see that in Mumbai, the retaining wall had collapsed, but fortunately, nobody was injured.
All right, Shweta, request you to stay on with us. We're tracking some further updates from Mumbai. Waterlogging has been witnessed in